Plexus has been around for about 30 years, and we've been building ourselves as a non-traditional EMS company, or electronic manufacturing services company, in that we have that entire value stream. We're in aerospace, wireline, wireless, defense, medical. We're also in industrial and commercial as well. I do product development, product design, so I do engineering, simulation, design work. Simulation gives us the ability to bring risk mitigation forward in the process. So we have the ability to start to look at products earlier and different configurations of those products much earlier. So whether it be different geometries or bringing forth and looking at the behavioral characteristics of a product, it allows us to do that much earlier in the process before we release for manufacturing or prototyping. It allows us to get products to the market much faster with a better solution with mitigated risk for our customers. Plexus is finding a very high amount of value in simulation in many different areas, not just in mechanical but also in electrical. It's allowing our engineers to really engineer at a system level rather than at the component level. Ansys really provides us a solution that we can turn to and become more proficient at from both sides. We recently did a project where we had a concept that we wanted to kind of validate before we really got into doing any design of experiments or anything like that. And what we were able to do is put that into the Ansys software and run simulations to give us load transfers. It also gave us deflections. We understood what kind of space constraints we had within the component as we developed it. So it gave us the flexibility of the unit as well as the force transfer of the unit. We were able to understand different types of geometries that we had within the unit and how that affected the overall system when loads were placed on it. More and more we find customers coming to us and that we have a very compressed schedule, so we need to bring all of those risks forward and out and put them on the table and run them through their paces, whether it be through simulation or prototyping. So as engineers have done in the past, you prototype something, you test it, you validate it, you tweak it, you get another prototype, and you go through these design iterations. With simulation, you can go through those design iterations with the same model setup, you just change your geometry or whatever the parameters are that you're trying to narrow down that are of high risk, and then you are able to run those simulations, and you're able to get that data in a much faster pace. There are a lot of softwares out there that claim that they can do many different things, and that's all well and good. When an engineer comes into a problem on a cutting-edge product, there's a time when you're going to have to call support. Ansys has been very, very cooperative and very helpful when it comes to finding those cutting-edge simulations and really bringing the best results out of that simulation. There's been several times where, as well as the software, it's just you need that support, that expertise that Ansys provides. We have not found anything to come close to the value that Ansys adds. We're able to do simple simulations within those built-in packages, but Ansys is by far and away the gold standard when it comes to being able to be complex and accurate.